Sleep is such an important lever for how we function and how we feel day to day. It's crucial in managing our mood, and it's crucial in helping us sort those more persistent problems with our mood. So what is it about sleep that changes the brain? Well, actually, you think about the brain sort of turning off and being dormant when we're sleeping, but it's far from it. And we can think about those two sleep cycles. There's this deep sleep, which happens more during the start of the night. During that time, the internal cleaning system in the brain, the glymphatic system, ups its rate by 3 times. It's removing waste. It's taking inflammation away. And that's why going to bed at a reasonable hour, not too late, is so crucial for that deep sleep. If you go to bed too late, you just never get that deep sleep back. And as we go through the night, we start to have less deep sleep, and we start to have more of this REM, this dream sleep. And the brain is very active here. As you know, you're thinking of things and dreaming of who knows what. But what we know is that dream sleep is crucial for rewiring the brain, for making memories, for solving problems. And you can all, I think, relate to the idea of going to bed with a problem in mind and somehow waking up in the morning with that solution there and feeling better about something that you're worried about. So that's why getting that full 7 or 8 hours is so important, because that better quality dreaming happens at the end of the night. So we've got that deep sleep and we've got that REM sleep. They're critical. How do we get a good night's sleep? And what does good, better and best look like? Well, I think good is arranging a window where you're not going to be interrupted. We call that the sleep window. So you sort out, you're in a cool, dark place. It's not too noisy. You've got no interruptions. You've got the cell phone out of the room. So that's setting up a sleep window. That's a start. That's good. What's better? What's better is to start to arrange some more important things in what we call sleep hygiene. It's not about being clean. Sleep hygiene is about arranging things that help you sleep better. We know that being physically tired is going to be a crucial thing there. We know that avoiding a screen that's emitting bright LED lights high in that blue wavelength that suppresses that hormone called melatonin, which prevents you getting to sleep, is crucial. So better is about arranging that sleep window but starting to get a bit tired and avoiding those screens. What's best look like? Best is starting to integrate some of the other tools. So you've got the sleep window, you've got the devices out of the room, you're avoiding the screens, you're physically tired, but you're starting to do things like some slow, deep breathing. Same as where meditation fits into there. If you wake up during the night rather than stressing out, you take on some more of that breathing. You might organise your routine, that you're not travelling as much as you sometimes do, because those are very unsettling. You're trying to organise a stable, comfortable sleep environment where you're feeling good. Sleep is crucial to your mental health and well-being. Let's learn how to sleep better.